Here is the Subaru Crosstrek. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Subaru emblem, put one finger right in there and then push it left. While it's pushed left, lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and let it go. Once the hood is open, that right there is where the battery is. We need to undo 4 nuts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and for this you will just need one tool, which is a 10mm socket ratchet combination, and make sure it's like a long deep socket. Let's loosen this negative terminal nut, and the goal is to just loosen it enough that we can wiggle the wire off of the battery post. We don't have to take the nut off completely. Let's wiggle this wire and get it off, and just set it aside so there's no accidental contact throughout the rest of the process. And now let's repeat this process for this red, the positive terminal wire, and get it off the battery as well. Now we need to undo this one nut and just loosen it as much as you can. This is a retaining plate rod in the front. Just loosen this nut first, and then I'll show you where the rod goes in. There's a hole and you have to get it out from there, and you will be able to because you loosen the nut enough. Now repeat the process for the one in the back, and I'll show you where this rod goes in as well. Pull it back from there, twist it, and out it comes. Now let's get the retaining plate out of the way. Grab this jacket and get it off the battery. Now let's grab the battery and get it out, but be careful, the battery is going to be heavy. Do not hurt yourself. And this is the plate. It just sits on there. There are two dimples, and there's an arrow that points the orientation of the plate. This center dimple goes in the hole there, so you just align it that way, just drop it there, and then try moving it. It's going to drop right in. Even when it's in place, it's going to move around a little bit, but it won't just fly off, so that's good. Now the battery size is group 35, says it right there on the battery. The positive terminal is marked with the plus sign, the negative with the minus sign, and check the link in the description to buy the new battery from Amazon. Get the new battery and put it back in place. Let's put this jacket back on, and now let's get the retaining plate and note the position where the front and the rear goes. It only one orientation how it goes in. Now let's focus on that hole. That's where the rear rod goes in. Get the rod in there and then twist it and make sure it's sort of locked into that hole. Good. Then tighten this nut down, and that's where the front rod goes in that hole there. And then hold on to that rod while you tighten this nut down. Then tighten it down using the socket ratchet combination. The back one, repeat it for the front one, and tighten it down as much as you can. At this point the battery should not be moving. It should be securely held in place. That is good. Now let's put the positive terminal, the red one, in first, and you have to push it down as much as you can. You have to do this to ensure good contact, otherwise you're going to have all sorts of issues later on, and you don't want that. Tighten it down and make sure the wire is not moving. Repeat the process for the negative one, but the moment you touch this wire to the battery post, you'll notice some sparks, and that's totally normal. Again, push this down as much as you can, and then tighten it down enough to ensure that the wire is not going to move off the battery post. That's good. Let's go inside the car and try turning the car on and see what happens. The car turns on, no issues. Now look at the radio, this is working. And all the warning lights are gone from the dash as well. Let me try closing the door. That's gone as well. And that's pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on the hood and get the rod out of that slot. Put it back in its place and secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.